Hello everyone, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today I am preparing for a dinner party. For our dessert, we're having pineapple cherry cobbler. This delightful dessert combines the tropical sweetness of pineapple and the tartness of cherries, and it's all covered with a box of yellow cake mix. The ingredients are very simple. We have 1 can of crushed pineapple, a can of cherry pie filling, a box of yellow cake mix, and 1 stick of butter. To put this dessert together quickly, I'm going to get all my ingredients prepped. To prevent my cobbler from being too soupy, I'm going to take my pineapples and I'm going to drain the juices off in a colander. If you like pineapple juice, take your juice and reserve it for later. All ingredients are prepped. I have my drained crushed pineapple, cherry pie fill. I have my cake mix here I placed in a bowl. This is my 1 stick of butter that I melted in the microwave. And lastly, we have our ramekins. Therefore, each guest can have their individual dessert. This is probably the easiest dessert you'll ever make. We're just layering all the ingredients in ramekins to make this amazing treat. I like to start with the pineapple, then follow that up with my cherry pie filling. Optional, you can mix the two together before placing them into your dish. Remember, you have options. A recipe is a guide. I love a good challenge and trying something new.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes
now take the dry cake mix and add on top. At this point, if I wanted to add any spices, I would add them now to the cake mix.
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
I place my ramekins on a cookie sheet for easy handling. Take the melted butter and add on top of the cake mix. How simple is this? Yes, you could have made it from scratch, taken out all your flours and your sugars and your spices to make your topping. But why? When the cake mix have everything in it, when you can simply add it to the top of your fruits, add some butter, and guess what? You have a cobbler. They're all the same. It's just semi-homemade, and I absolutely love it. We're going to level the flavor up just one more time with some of our ramekins by adding some nuts. That's another option. And I usually like to add pecans or walnuts. We're going to place this into a 350 degrees oven for about 30 minutes or until it's golden brown. Here is the finished product. We transformed 4 ingredients into an amazing cobbler. Guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.